anyways. All right, check this out. Charts and tools. Scroll down to predefined scans. I think it's best if you do this like when the market is closed. So we'll say before the market is open, like maybe pre-market or even just the night before, before you go to sleep. So anyways, come here to bullish MACD crossovers, click on that number because that's how many results there are, and then search that by volume. So you want the highest volume plays, right? So right now, NEO, for example, New York Stock Exchange, right? So NEO has a lot of volume right now. You can click on this to see their chart, and you can see NEO's, the MACD is crossing over here, and NEO's looking like it's ready to run, right? So what I would do if I were trading options, I'd probably trade this to about maybe a 38 or even a $40 call. But if I was swing trading, then it'd just be here like 41 bucks. All right. Or you can use the 200 as a good price target. If you don't use the previous high, then you can use, let's say, the 200 but yeah, previous high is good. So you can set your levels here. Boom, right? So now what you did is you just found you a play that's likely to go because of this crossover. That's why it even popped up. And yeah. But also what you want to do is make sure where you're getting in at and where your price targets are worth taking the risk. So you could get potentially a 14 or 23% return here. And then you would want to set your stop. Definitely probably here, right? $34. So check this out. In this scenario, you're risking $1.54. So if this breaks below $34, then you're out, right? So you're gonna risk $1.54 to make, $4.50, or if it comes up here to make $9. So you have a 1-4 or 1-9 ratio on this trade, right? That's nuts. So that's something I would hop in. So this is exactly why I would hop in this trade, right? So using this scan is like, bro, this shit could find you plays that are set up to go. The win, look at that, man. If you're actually on this like earlier, but same thing, same exact thing. All right, so it's coming off of a cold RSI, cool. So it found its bottom and it started trending upwards. The MACD is now about to cross over. That's why it popped up in that scan. All right, the MACD is now about to cross over. The histogram's ticking upwards, right? And it looks like it's showtime for the win. All right, so if I was just gonna swing trade this, there goes my price target, 105, right? But your stop is also important. So if it breaks this level, then it could fall. Like, let's go look at the weekly, because we're gonna have to look at the weekly. We could just here we go. We can look back. We'll say 1 year. All right. So I just want to pull the chart back to look at the next level of support. All right. So if it breaks this 80 level of support, then the next level would probably be around here, 75. And if it breaks that 70, right? So what you want to do is set your stop here at 80 bucks. So you're going to risk $6 on this trade. and you're gonna risk it if you set your price target here for $14, right? Risk 6 to get 14. That's that might be decent. That's a 2-to-1 there. So, or you could set at the 200-day moving average, which also is in line with this previous high here, this level of resistance here. So then you can determine if you want to take this trade or not. But you know the MACD is about to cross over. We bounced off a cold RSI, so we know that this stock is picking up momentum. If the momentum should continue, then you're good, right? Or if you were to buy a call here, maybe a $90 call 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, right? But you know this stock has momentum. That's why the MACD is crossing over. That's why it's bouncing off of the floor. But you need to consider this downside as well, right? But anyways, that's just how I scan to find plays that could, that have potential right now.